Hi everyone. So here we are in the week 8 of our continuous series for the different subjects that we are dealing with. The pattern for this week remains the same, that we will have 3 videos of the same subject in one day only, so that if you are whatever number of videos, or let's say whatever number of subjects you are watching from my classes, you would just require a single or a double or a triple accordingly, that many days for your preparation. You would say there is something missing out here. Yes, of course, Sunday, which was allotted for environment and ecology, is missing. The reason is that I had told this 2 weeks ago that I would be waiting for the next 2 weeks. I would be seeing the performance of the learners now, the viewers, I would say. If I do not see a proportionate response, there would be some changes, and that is what I gave my word, and I am sticking to my words. So only the least response was coming on the environment and ecology video, so I have removed it. If in further time I would see that the other subjects are also not receiving adequate response as compared to what the input is coming from my side, so of course the videos will be discontinued, because there is no sense that way. Because if the learners are not understanding, there is no point to continue with that. So now 3 classes for the time being, 3 subjects. If I see increase in the environment and ecology response, I would definitely resume it whenever it happens. So now it not depend on me, but it depends on you. Anyways, I finished the ecosystem and all of that in the previous sessions. Slight topics related to the aquatic ecosystems were left to be done in detail. So of course that now you will have to do from your own side. Let's now see for Thursday, Friday and Saturday: Indian Polity, Modern Indian History, Geography. The time remains the same, 1 p.m., 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. So the 3 days now, 23rd, 24th and 25th of June is what we are covering here. For the Indian Polity, now we are moving to another level of topic, like parliamentary and presidential system I'll introduce, because I've already introduced you the basic concepts like legislature, executive and judiciary. And I have told very clearly that when I'll do these topics in detail, all the basics that I've covered in the introductory video will not be repeated. So if you're taking these things lightly, I'm sorry, but then in future you will have to face the problem. So parliamentary and presidential system here, federal and unitary system here, and then preamble introduction होगा. इसके बाद my series will go in a very different way, so just wait for the next week. Then I'll not follow the typical way that everybody else follows, just using a book and copy pasting the materials. That is not the way that you would be seeing here on this channel. For the Modern Indian History series, PYQs are to be done, because a lot many subtopics we have covered in these lectures, and all the mains PYQ I had already attached with the topic also, because they were just very few in number. But the prelims PYQs are very, very importantly to be done. So one session on that, and then the land revenue systems we'll have to understand, started by the British, and the economic impact of the British rule in India. For the geography, landforms we are continuing, so we'll just quickly finish, because this is the least important topic I've already told you from the GS perspective. We are only doing it because it is in the book, so you do not feel low confident. That is the only reason we are covering. So that will quickly finish, and then we'll talk in detail about the soil, that's biogeography, because geomorphology is what we are finishing this week. So this is the last set of videos for geomorphology, and then we'll continue about soils, and chota sa section was left for the volcanic landforms from the earlier chapters, which I'll finish here. So with this, you will complete your geomorphology from my side. Every possible thing that I could have done, attaching the PYQs and revision and everything, whatever, is now done from my side. So see you guys then for these classes. Take care till then. Bye bye.